Well, I didn't record an intro or nothing. I've been kind of busy today. Oh. Jamestown, New Mexico, which is about, I don't know, 20 miles, 15, 20 miles east of Gallup, New Mexico. And, yeah, I've been here since last night. It's afternoon already. But I've been busy. Had some maintenance stuff to do, just the routine stuff. Was due for an annual inspection. We do that every quarter. Schneider requires that we do a full annual inspection every quarter instead of just a quarterly inspection. Then I also was overdue for a chassis loop. So I got both done at the same time. I had to wait to get in, but I was working on getting a video put up, so kind of worked out. And I have time. I don't have to be to where I'm going, which is Denver. I don't have to be there till tomorrow afternoon, and it's 568 miles. So I've got time to do that. Although now, being late afternoon, I've got to hustle. You know, more than I would have liked. But I'm not going to be late or anything, so no worries. Anyway, here we go. Getting back on Interstate 40. I'm headed towards Albuquerque. I really love the view from the freeway along here. Wow, pick it up, night. Those hills off to the left. There's a few scenes in the Pixar animated movie Cars that looks just like that, and I think that's where they got the idea from. But I love the red rock that's out here. Made a pit stop here at this Petro in Milan, New Mexico. Anyway, and I cleaned the windshields, which is what I should have done before I left the Flying J. Because I had, you know, dust encrusted bird droppings, or no, not bird droppings, there were dust encrusted bug splatters. Anyway, I didn't realize there was some like right in front of the camera when I pulled out, until I pulled out and I'm looking at the camera where it's looking, and I'm like, oh, there's a bug splatter right in front of the lens. Oh well. So anyway, I had to stop here for a pit stop, and I thought, let me clean this windshield. So I did. Now we're back on the road, or getting back on the road. It's got this crazy construction zone here. I think it was like this last time I came through here, just a few weeks ago. Anyway, yeah, I think we went to Denver then too. So, yeah, we got one lane up here on the interstate, because the westbound lanes are closed, so they got both directions on the eastbound side. And really got to yield and merge up here, so I can't hardly see. Alright, go after this truck. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to click the like button. Not only does this let me know that you liked it, but it tells YouTube that they should promote it to others. This really helps me out. If you enjoy watching my over-the-road trucking adventure videos, please subscribe, and then click the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos are available.